Hello, myself Dinesh Kadel and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will learn primitive cubic unit cell, then body centered cubic unit cell and face centered cubic unit cell from chemistry, 12th chemistry unit 1, the solid state. We will learn these unit cells through model. Okay. Through model it is easy to understand these structures. Okay, the first one is a primitive cubic unit cell. Why we are calling this as a primitive cubic unit cell? Because the atoms are present at corner of cubes only. Okay, then this structure is called primitive. Okay, this is the unit cell and this made by joining the 8 atoms. Okay, but this is not the unit cell. Why? Because each atoms is again present in adjacent unit cells. Okay, this is the basic unit cell of this model. But how many atoms are present in this unit cell? Okay, definitely this not look like these structures, but if I try to find out how many atoms are present, then I will try to complete one atom first. Okay, if you look at these atoms and if I join this type of structures again and again to complete one atom, then I will simply find out the how much part of that atom is present inside this unit cell. Before that, consider this is the single atom, and if I cut into its 3 plane, in xy plane, in yz plane and then xz plane. Okay, after cutting this in 3 perpendicular planes, the 8 parts are formed. Okay, like these 8 parts are formed in this ball, and if I separate out this part, you can easily understand these are the 8 parts. If combining this 8 part, the one sphere is formed. Okay, if I want to form the how much part of the atom is present, then I will simply join these parts. Okay, these parts are present in adjacent unit cell. Okay, one will join like this, then next one I will join like this. This is present in adjacent unit cells. This is the 4th unit cell at the base, and from this you will understand the half atom is formed. Similarly, half atom is present in the upper region. Okay, 1, then 2, 3 and 4. In this way one atom is formed, and if you look at this structure, this one atom is made by 8 equal parts which are present in respective unit cells. Okay, this is not the exact model of this balls, okay, because these are the smaller balls and this is made by the larger ball. This is not to scale model, but okay, this is for the only understanding purposes. Okay, if this part is the 1/8 part of this atom, similarly other parts are the same way, 1/8 part of the atoms. If you look at the corner, there are 8 corners. Okay, we want to find out the number of atoms. How many corners are present? 8 corners, and at each corner only 1/8 part is present. Okay, if we divide this, then there is only one atom is present. Means this model is perfectly formed from this single atom. But how it is formed? If I cut that ball into 8 equal pieces, and these 8 equal pieces if I join that way, okay, like these atoms are exactly at corners above 2 and similarly backside 4 pieces, then one atom is formed. If this is unfolded and connected, then you can simply look at this. This will form one single atom. Okay, this is simply one single atom. Okay, in this way you can understand that in this unit cell only one atom is present. Okay, then there are 2 more structures. Another one is a body centered cubic unit cell. If I cut again these 6 faces, then unit cell is formed, and this is the exact unit cell for body centered cubic unit cell. Okay, again at 8 corner, consider there are 8 corner, and at 8 corners only 1/8 part of atom is present, like simple cubic unit cell or primitive cubic unit cell. Plus here one atom is present at the center. Okay, plus one atom, then this will become 1, and again this will become 1 plus 1 equal to 2 atoms. Here 2 atoms present, here one atom, only one atom is present. Okay, then okay, now the third structure is face centered cubic unit cell. Okay, how this is formed? Look at this. 8 atoms are present at 8 corners. This white ball shows the 8 corners, and there are total 6 faces. At each face 1 atoms are present. These 4 green balls are present at 4 faces, and these 2 are at right side and left side face. Okay, and if I cut these atoms, okay, at 6 faces, then what type of structure is formed? This type of structure is formed. If you look at the structures, the 1/8 part is present at 8 corners. Again, everywhere is a 1/8 part at 8 corner, but at faces, if you look at that face, then there is a half atom is present, and half atom is present into the adjacent unit cell. Okay, simply like this. Okay, if I join these atoms, okay, this is the half atoms, and another one is a half atom, and if I join this half and half, then full atom is formed. The half atom is present in this unit cell, and the remaining half is present in the adjacent unit cell. At each faces half atom is present. But how many faces are there? There are 6 faces, and at each face half atom is present. Here it will become 1, it will become 3. 1 plus 3, how many atoms present? 4 atoms are present. Okay, in this way we can find out the number of atoms in each unit cell. If you like this video, then like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you.